These days, life can feel disconnected and insecure. We are challenged to be resourceful, to create what we need from what we have. Craft enables our most resourceful selves and connects us to so much. It brings us into this present moment and the stillness and calm this can bring. Resourceful craft reminds us of where what we need comes from, of the water, soil and air that we need to be well. And craft teaches us to care for and value Earth's resources, to borrow carefully and return without harm. Gathering from what is around us, or making use of what you have or a neighbour has, builds and strengthens our inner resources and our connections with each other. It gives us a stronger sense of self and of our skills and learning needs. Weaving together the leaves of the tikoko or cabbage tree feels meaningful and tangible. Resourceful craft provides a common purpose we can all share. This connects us within communities, with each of us having different strengths, skills and inner resources to share. There are others sharing the same journey with craft, and this brings wonderful friendship. There are so many ways to be resourceful through craft. So many different materials and beautiful ways you can harness them and turn them into something loved and enduring. We may not be able to be together in person, but we can still meet each other, share skills and work together side by side online. At a time like this, craft can remain a constant when everything else is changing. Craft connects us. It is vital for creating what we need from what we have